Hello students, let's solve this word problem. It says Priya has rupees 258. She has 3 times as much money as Aarav. So here we have two people, Priya and Aarav. So we know that she is Priya. Priya has 3 times as much money as Arav. So we are going to make 3 boxes for Priya and 1 box of the same size for Arav. And we also know from the first statement that Priya has rupees 258. So let us show it in our bar model. So we write like this 258. Now they are asking how much money do Priya and Arav have all together. So we can see there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 equal sized boxes. If we find out the value of one box, we can multiply that by 4 to find out the money they are having all together. So let's divide 258 by 3 because 3 boxes, the value of 3 boxes is 258. So what will be the value of one box? We will have to divide 258 by 3. So we'll break the number 258 into parts. We have 240 and 18. We'll divide 240 by 3. If 24 divided by 3 is 8, 240 divided by 3 will be 80. Then 18 divided by 3 will be 6. So we will add 80 and 6. So we will get 86. So value of each box is 86. And we have 4 boxes. So we have to multiply 86 by 4. Again, we will break the numbers and multiply. Let us break 86 into 2 parts. 80 plus 6. 80 into 4 is 320 and 6 into 4 is 24. So when we add both these parts, we get 344. So Priya and Arav altogether have rupees 344. We can write down Priya and Arav all together have rupees 344.